So we're out here in Jackson, Mississippi at the Mississippi Racing Extravaganza. It's a deal that's been getting put on since I was a kid every year. You know, there's a lot of old hot riders and stuff right here. They bring all their cars, they put them on display, win trophies. It's kind of like a car show. Back in the day, you used to be able to come here and do burnouts in the build and all that, but they kind of cracked down on that. They got a new, nice build, so they don't let all that happen. Mr. Bill, he invited us out here to this car show, so I figured since I was laid up at home, nose messed up, hand messed up, might as well. So brought Jangling out here. You know, I really never get to mingle and hang out with my local Mississippians because, you know, everything we do is out of Mississippi because Mississippi don't really have no racetracks. So ever since our racetrack, Hub City, closed down, just nothing really big happens around here anymore. So end of the day, got to come out and meet some locals. Got to see a couple of my old friends, people that I used to hang out with before all this crazy life started.
Wide that ring? 20 is wide. No wonder that tire set like it's been different from that.
Don't be looking at all my tricks.
I'm checking it out.
You step in here. Let me see your hat. Hold on, and you can grab the rope.
I like the car show life, man.
It's not as exciting as racing. It was pretty cool to walk around and see all the dope ass cars people brought and built.
Right.
Kind of check out competition a little bit too.
Right.
Especially this fella over here. These two fellows over here. But still get to talk to a lot of people, meet new people. It's pretty easy. I like it.
You get to handle the kids.
It's the best part. You get to make a lot of kids' days. They all want to sit in Jangling, so you get to throw them in. He's kind of heavy, so I like to try and find a new driver.
Right.
Transfer a little bit of weight around, go a little faster. It's always nice to brighten up their days, though.
For sure.
Show them around. Makes me happy on the inside.
What do you think about the car show life, man?
It ain't as hard to do as going round and round and racing, so. But right now I couldn't do it anyway. I don't know. It's fun, I guess. You get to meet a lot of people. It's kind of boring at times. I didn't even register my car in the show, so there's not a shot of me winning the trophy, so. We kind of wish I'd have done that, maybe. The trophies are, like, you need a trailer to haul them home. They're like 8 foot tall. But, yeah, it's been a fun couple days. Got me out of the house after my surgery, so it started getting me back going. Pretty sure in the next couple days we'll be at a racetrack somewhere testing our cars, even though the doctor said we can't. But I can move it now. It's time. It's go time, baby.
How's your nose doing?
See y'all later. My nose, I still can't breathe out of it at all. So, but I've been breathing out my mouth for like 5 years, so that ain't nothing to do. Hopefully my nose starts working soon. I know I can't smell nothing. Everything tastes like shit. about it. They even got Kenny with PTC converters here. You got Gary Williams carburetors here. A couple other local legends out here showing their cars and hanging out. So it's been fun. And it's kind of slow this morning, but seems like after church let out, a bunch of people showing up now. So sure we'll get into some good conversations and have some fun for the end of the day.
That's all I do most of the time.
How you doing, guy?
What's up, man?
Keep doing what you're doing, man.
Thank you.
Give me your hand, bro.
I had a little hand surgery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we were trying to be incognito where nobody would know that we were going to crank the car up because you can't do it here. It's highly illegal. And this dumbass is just standing out there holding a gas can in the middle of everybody. Like, it's everyday life with sunshine. I mean, look at it. Look at it.
Smooth, man.
Unbelievable. What's up, bud? How you doing? I had a surgery on it. I've seen it on Facebook. About cut my finger off. Yeah? Oh, what are you using? Want to see it? Yeah? That's what you did to the back of your head. Right there.
Hold on, I'm coming back. Didn't want to carry that no more.
Kill any deer this year?
Making sure everything's tight, plugged in. I'm not sure what they unplugged, what they didn't unplug. Just kind of looking over all of it. Fuel lines, ECU, crank trigger.
Yeah, this thing's been on vacation.
Yes. It's time for her to come back to work.
Yeah.
Not sure. But if it blows up, it'd be pretty fun to send off. It'd suck for me, but it'd be pretty cool for everyone else.
Yeah, it'd be a lot of work.
I'd rather it not happen.
It's almost over. Now I know I can go out and stand up and do things for a couple of days without feeling sick. So that helps me on my road to recovery for my nose and my hand. So it's been fun.